AMC stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is AMC stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1-minute video. Looking at AMC, it's an already sort of a bullish market. I mean, genuinely speaking, this is not going to be me buying, but if I pull down here, you will see that the only thing that I would care about is the price giving me a double break shift. And I've been talking about this for like such a long time, bro. Like, let's do it like that. If there is not a double break, there's just no way I'm going to look to buy. That's where we are. And yeah, like beforehand, I was looking to take it up. Now, still I'm looking for exact same thing, but just that my rules must be met like before. And this is very good. Like, if you don't believe me, here's the proof. Obviously, I've got the proof to back up my claim. Boom, it was 314 at the time, 9 days ago, that is. Since then, I'm looking for a very similar thing. So let me know what is your opinion. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.